Alright, today I want to go over how to insert or link to external data. Say maybe you want to keep up with some statistics in some kind of sport. Today I'm going to do Nascar, and we're going to learn how to keep up with it in a spreadsheet in OpenOffice Calc. The first thing we need to do is go on the internet and go to some site, and I've gone to sports.yahoo.com and I'm going to go here to NASCAR, and I'm going to go to stats, and here's the different stats you can view. So I want to go to for current points totals, go to standings. So I'm going to click here, and here's the overall leaders, and you can see that there are different categories, and you can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to do overall. So what I need to do is come up here, and I need to copy this link. So I'm going to right click and hit copy, and then I'm going to come and bring up OpenOffice Calc, and I'm going to go to insert and link to external data, and this box pops up, and I'm going to paste the link here and hit the enter key on my keyboard. And what it does is it brings up a list of the tables and ranges on that particular website. I can come down here and tell it to update and I can tell it how many seconds, but I'm going to leave that unchecked, and I'm going to update it manually, and I'll go over that also. So I'm going to hit HTML tables and OK, and you can see that it brings in this data. So, and this is the data that's on the website right now. Now I'm going to take this sheet and I'm going to rename it to overall, and I'm going to go down here and pull up the internet again, and I'm going to get owner's points. Maybe I want to keep up with that also, and you hit filter, and it changes to owner rankings. Now I need to come up here and take this link, copy it, bring up Calc again, and I'm going to insert this data on the second sheet, and I'm going to go to insert, link to external data. I'm going to paste that link, hit enter on my keyboard, and I'm going to go down here to HTML tables and hit OK, and it brings that information in as well. And I'm going to rename this sheet owner, and you can name the sheet whatever you want, that really doesn't matter, and hit OK. And then I'll come over here and say I want to keep up with the Craftsman truck, and so now it takes me to these rankings, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to bring up Calc, insert, link to external data, right click, paste, hit enter on my keyboard, and it brings this up as well. Now let's say that I wasn't sure which one to click, and I clicked this one. Well, and that's not the one that I wanted. Well, I can go to edit, links, and and I want to edit this one, and I can go to modify, and it brings up the list again. And let's say that I click on all and hit OK, and I hit update and close. Now you can see what it brought up. That's not the right thing. Okay, so I'll come back to edit and links, click on this one, modify, and go to tables and hit OK, hit update and close, and you can see it brought me to the right one. Alright, and I'll come down here and rename this one to Craftsman Truck and hit OK. Alright, now let's say that I have easy access to this spreadsheet. Instead of going on the internet and looking and seeing what the current standings are, I can just open up this workbook, and I can go to edit, links, and I can left click on the first one. I can hold my left mouse button down and just drag down and highlight them all, and I can update all of them at once. Okay, and now it's finished updating. I hit close, and I have updated rankings. Of course, the numbers didn't change because it's been about a minute since I've updated, so they're not going to change. But whenever you open up your workbook, you can just update your links. I hope this tutorial comes in handy. Thank you.